Understanding Greenwashing, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting and increasingly relevant term, greenwashing. This concept is not only important for understanding environmental discussions but also for developing your English vocabulary in a real-world context. So, let's dive in and demystify greenwashing together. Greenwashing is a compound word, combining green, referring to environmentally friendly practices, and whitewashing, which means to cover up or gloss over faults. Greenwashing is a deceptive practice where a company or organization spends more time and money claiming to be green through advertising and marketing than actually implementing business practices that minimize environmental impact. It's a way to attract environmentally conscious consumers without making significant eco-friendly changes. To understand greenwashing better, let's look at some examples. Imagine a company that uses lots of paper claims to be saving trees, but doesn't actually have a sustainable forestry practice. Or a car manufacturer that advertises a vehicle as eco-friendly, despite having low fuel efficiency and high emissions. These are instances of greenwashing because the claims either exaggerate or falsely represent the company's commitment to the environment. Greenwashing is problematic because it misleads consumers who are trying to make environmentally responsible choices. It can also overshadow genuine efforts by companies truly committed to sustainability, making it harder for consumers to distinguish between true and false claims. Moreover, it contributes to environmental degradation by minimizing the importance of real ecological actions. To spot greenwashing, be skeptical of vague or broad claims like eco-friendly or green, without specific information. Look for third-party certifications or detailed information about the company's sustainability practices. Also, be wary of sudden shifts in a company's image without significant changes in their practices. We hope this video has helped you understand the concept of greenwashing and why it's important to be aware of it. Remember, being an informed consumer and English language learner means not only understanding words but also the context in which they are used. Keep exploring and questioning as you continue your learning journey.